Hi there, this is Babber from Babber's Big Ideas. Today we're going to start by prepping a bedroom to do some painting. So this is the bedroom here. Most of the damage is on this wall. Had a TV mount on here, so there's that.
So I placed down some poly to contain the mess. I don't have a wet dry vac. And then I started to fill in the holes. I filled the holes with the drywall compound. And then once it was dried, I started with a 120 grit drywall sandpaper, and then I went to a 220 grit sandpaper. Then I checked and made sure that it was nice and smooth. This one still needed a little bit more drywall compound, so I put that on, let it dry, and then just went it over with a finer sandpaper until I was happy with the smoothness. Now I did this with all the walls. Wiped the walls with a damp rag and then cleaned up the poly. Placed down the drop cloths, getting ready for paint, and then put down the tape to ensure I don't make a mess and a nice clean line. I prepped all the walls in the same manner as I painted the whole room. Then I primed using the paint that I'm going to paint the walls with. The holes were small. And once that was dry, I painted the walls. I did the whole room, but this was the wall where the wall mount was, the TV wall mount, so this was the one I decided to concentrate on showing you. Once I was done all the painting, before it dried, I took off all the tape. And this is the nice clean result. Nicely done. Thanks for watching.